Hey guys, it's Natalia. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing and installing this beautiful lace wig, and this lace wig is from Chantiche Lace Wigs. This is their 18-inch silky straight 360 wig, and this wig by far has been the easiest wig for me to apply. I didn't have to bleach the knots, I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to tint, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. I literally installed this wig straight out the box. So if you guys are looking for a wig that you can just throw on quick, fast, and hurry, this is the one for you, sis. I promise you. Hey guys, okay, so we're just gonna jump right into the video as usual. If you guys hear any like thunderstorm, raining, and all that, sorry, but my room gets so hot with these lights, and I got a window open and it's raining right now, so that's what that is. So don't mind that. The first thing you want to do is you want to take some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol. I use the 91% one, and you want to clean off your hairline where you're going to place the glue. And what this does is just cleans off any like dirt, oils, or anything like that, so your glue can really like adhere and stick properly. I'm no longer using Ghost Bomb glue anymore. Trying out this lace grip glue. This is like the glue that Arrogance Hay use and lives by, I guess. So what I did was dotted it on the hairline first, and now I'm taking it and smoothing it out with a wooden stick. I always call it a popsicle stick, but I'm like, come on sis, this is not a popsicle stick, this is a wooden stick. So like that until it dries clear. Now I am going to be using 3 layers. This was the first layer, so I'm going to proceed to put 2 more layers on. And like I said, you want to wait until the glue dries clear, just like this, and then you want to go ahead and proceed with your other layers. Okay, so while we're letting that second layer dry, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you a little bit about the hair. This is the packaging. This hair is from Chantiche Lace Wigs right here. And I like this box. I love when wigs actually come in boxes like this, because I just feel like I can just throw it back in the box and put it up, you know. So once you open the box, the wig is like right there. And this is their little tag that comes on it. The wig that I received is a 360 lace front wig, 18 inches, natural color, and this is a 150% wig. This is silky straight. The cap size is medium and the lace color is medium brown. So also what came with it was a wig cap. I already used one of them, so it came with 2 wig caps, which I love when with hair companies put wig caps and like with their hair. I don't even have to make a trip to the beauty supply store because you looked out, you put a wig cap in there already. Thank you. Here's the wig, guys. Like I said, this is their silky straight, and it's full all the way down to the ends. So this is how the wig looks on the inside. It has 1, 2, 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, a nice long comb too, straps in the back to tighten the wig to fit perfect to your head size. And it also came with a adjustable strap right here. It is more security, and that's awesome. Like, especially with the 360 wigs, like you want to have it secure as possible, because a lot of people do not like glue the back down. The lace goes all the way around. And another thing is the hair already came bleached. Hate having to bleach my knots. It just takes a lot of time. But if you want that more natural look, you're going to have to do it. And why not get a wig that comes with bleach knots? Like, this was so smart. So before I put the wig on, I am going to cut the lace starting from right here, like where the ear goes, and all the way around, just because it's going to be hard for me to like trying to cut it while it's already on my head. Okay, so this is how it looks once I cut the excess lace off. Be sure to cut it as close to the hair as possible. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this strap does come off, and then you can also adjust it. It looks like a bra strap, like you could adjust it like a bra, but that does come off. But I'm going to leave it on. Since I have my stocking cap on, I really don't think I'm going to be needing these combs, so I am going to remove the comb with my razor. And it's pretty easy. You just want to find the thread that's holding the comb on the lace and just cut that. I am going to adjust the back straps just like so. And now you're going to proceed to put the wig on. So now we're going to put our last layer of lace grip. Glue is dry clear. You have to take that excess lace and pull forward and lay the wig right in the glue. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but the wig did come pre-plucked. I did not pluck it, nothing at all. Like, this is literally installed straight out the box right now. Like, I didn't do anything to this wig. So now I'm going to cut the lace off section by section. Cut in the middle, do one section first, and then do the other section. To cut the lace, I'm going to use these little eyebrow scissors, and I'm going to go in a zigzag motion. I did get a little like glue right here. That's perfectly fine. All you have to do is take a Q-tip with some alcohol and just get that off. Okay, y'all, we let our hair sit. Hopefully the glue is like really dry and tacky. Just trying to look like I got a fresh perm. Okay, love, so this is the final result. I just went ahead and flat ironed it a little bit with my Baby Bliss flat iron because it had a little dents in it from being in a box. This has been the easiest wig to apply like ever, especially being as though I didn't have to bleach the knots, I didn't have to pluck, I didn't have to tint lace, I didn't have to do anything but just put the hair on and just look. It looks so freaking good. So it comes right down here on my lower back, and as you can see, it's very full to the ends. It's not stiff. It has a lot of bounce to it, and this hair is just beautiful. It's so fucking beautiful and amazing. It looks really good and natural. It's given that I just got a fresh perm and a blowout, honey, like seriously. So thank you again, Chantiche Hair, for sending me this wig. It's been a dream. Like, I freaking love it. Okay, guys, so if you guys want to purchase this wig, all the links will be down below. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave any comments, anything you guys want to say. If you just want to say hey, I always respond to you guys' comments. Also, let me know any other hair companies you guys would like me to review for you all, because this is for you. At the end of the day, it's all for you to be able to pick out some good, bomb, affordable hair. As always, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.